Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this hair that was sent to me from Ywigs. It's a 14-inch, 180% density, wavy lace frontal wig. This wig was parted for me already, and it was parted to the right side. When I opened up my package, I did receive this return and exchange form and also some hair care information inside of the box. I also love the fact that you don't have to worry about sewing an elastic band onto your wig anymore. You can just easily attach it or detach it by attaching these hooks to the under portion of your wig. So this is how the wig looks when you first take it out of the package and place it onto your head. The frontal does come pre-plucked, but I already see that I am going to have to pluck a little bit more hairs from the front of it. This is the natural wave pattern of the hair. I know that I'm going for a very bright and neon color, so I'm going to have to lighten this hair by bleaching it. So in order to get this light blonde color, I did have to bleach this hair a total of 3 times. I did bleach it with a 20 volume developer. So next I'm going to prep the frontal portion of this wig by spraying that Got To Be freeze spray on the underside of the lace. So now I am at the beauty supply store and I am looking for the hair colors. I know that I want to go for a dark red root, so I am going to grab the darkest red color from Adore, which is Intense Red, and I'm going to pick up a bottle of that. Next, for the transition color is going to be Flaming Orange by Kiss Colors. I didn't see any neon oranges, which was really weird, and Flaming Orange is kind of red, so I thought that that would be perfect for the transition shade. And for the actual ends of the hair, I didn't see anything that was neon yellow or any type of bright solar color at my local beauty supply store. So I did end up picking up Orange, Blaze, and Ginger. The reason why I picked up Ginger is because it had a yellow undertone to it. So I think that that would give me that yellow type of tint that I'm looking for the tips of the hair. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab my mixing bowl and I'm going to pour the entire contents of both of the intense red hair dyes into my mixing bowl, and we're going to call that bowl Bowl A. So for the second bowl, Bowl B, we're going to grab the Flaming Orange and pour all of the contents of that inside of that bowl. For the last bowl we're grabbing, which is Bowl C, we're going to grab Ginger and Orange Blaze, and I am using the entire bottle of the Orange Blaze and just half of the bottle of the Ginger color. We're just going to mix that well with our whisk, and then we're all ready to start the dyeing process. So the first thing that I'm going to do is lightly spray the hair with water because the hair was really dry and I just wanted to bring some moisture back into it before I apply the hair dye. So I'm going to lightly just spray that just to dampen it a little bit. The first thing that I'm going to do after that is section off the hair. My first section is going to be in the back of the head. So I'm going to grab Bowl A and I'm going to fully penetrate the top portion of this section. I'm going to make sure that I am going through each row, making sure that the top and the bottom is fully coated. You want to make sure that you get an even blend of colors. So you want to make sure that you are taking your time and fully penetrating all of the strands of hair in the sections that you are working on. The next thing that I'm going to do is grab Bowl B and I am going to go over the bottom where I stopped. Does that make sense? I'm going to go over it with that hair color just to blend it out. I don't want a line of demarcation. I want it to be a gradual blend. And I am going to lightly stroke upwards, and this is going to help blend that hair color together as well. I'm going to do that same process to the very ends of the hair where the yellow orange is, and we're going to make sure that it is fully blended. So take your time and just try not to have any lines of demarcation. Okay, so now that we are all done, I am going to allow the hair to process. So I'm going to leave the hair dye on this hair for about 5 hours, and then I'm going to wash and deep condition this hair because I am working with neon colors and red in particular. I am going to wash it with a shampoo that is specifically made and formulated for red hair. So after washing and conditioning the hair, this is the result, which is beautiful. I love, 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 love this color. Okay, so now I am trying to figure out how short I want this bob to be. I know I want to go for a shorter bob, so I'm just going to play around with the wig a little bit until I'm fully satisfied, and then I'm going to grab a hair serum and my flat iron and a few hair tools, and we are going to basically perfect the cut and then flat iron the hair. So although this wig did come pre-plucked, I am going to grab my tweezers and just pluck some more hairs from the hairline just so that it can look a little bit more natural. So for the frontal portion of this wig, I will be using my styling wax stick and my Sebastian Shaper spray just to complete the look. And here is the finished result. What would you name this wig? Let me know down below in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments as well. Don't forget to check down below in the description box. I'll have all of the information, the direct links, and some promo codes down there for you. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do?
It's Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai. Ay, ay.